another thing I need to work on. Stop huffing and puffing on every video. Work on that. Or I'll keep fucking doing it and just complain about it. That's probably what's gonna have to happen. Have a million other projects I should be working on. I'm gonna get the plow truck out and give it a little fixing, and I think I'm gonna take it to the poles, truck poles. I think it's a couple weeks, next week, I don't know when it is. It's not tuned. The suspension's fucking wore out. The front end's gonna shake like a bastard. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, I think, or I might not. So we'll see here. I'll see if I can get it fired up and get her pulled down to the garage here. It's not looking good. It's been, looks like it's been abandoned here. The batteries are growing nicely though. Nice farm I got. I don't think this thing's ran since like the beginning of summer, when I smashed the windows out of it. But she's loyal. I bet she'll fire right up. Man, look at the craftsmanship. Just stacking dimes. Yeah. I think she's got a flat tire too. But I'll go grab the air compressor and see if she'll fire up. What a good little toy. Okay, so I'm gonna pull all this crap off. So anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh, so this thing is just junk, like horrible shape. I paid $1,000 for it. I put an intercooler tube on it and a set of wheels and tires, and Bob's your uncle. So this thing is just a scrap donkey. It's never going to be on the road. It is rotted beyond repair. So yeah, see if we can get it running. Just a peach. Did a little window delete here. Okay, let's take it down to the shop and I don't know, clean it out or something. Bad to front shock arms. Yeah. Might have to clean that off. Yep. I don't know. This thing's a gem. This laps over a gem. There's a unit. It smells like old wet feet in there.